working in the call center, I provide tech support every day. But it's not just about remote troubleshooting. I do my best. We provide technology and logistical solutions for meeting and events. I had just a client the other day. She called to schedule some tech support. She had the wrong room. She had the wrong technology. She really didn't know how to accomplish what she needed. She had 50 lawyers in 16 locations. She's trying to do a multi-day workshop. I analyzed her needs. I set her up with the correct room, technology, a whole technical solution to how she could go about it. And, she called me back a couple of days later and said she had a wonderful workshop. She got great feedback from all her clients. And I had a very grateful client there. And it just, it's not all about remote troubleshooting and fixing equipment. We have an added value to proactively go after these events and making sure they're all successful. And I think that provides an excellent added value for any client.